Hello everybody. In this video I'm working in my sandbox, but you will actually be working in your cross-listed content course, and we're going to import our elementary grade band template into your content course, so all of your navigation panel, late policies, assignment categories and weights, all of that, and homepage, all of that is set up for you. So pretty excited about this. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your content course that you have not touched at all yet. So you are going to go to import from existing content. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then we're going to go to copy a Canvas course, and I'm going to search for that template that we have. That you should have accepted the invitation from. I have a lot on here. You will not have this many. Okay, so here it is, the EGB Canvas template. So we're going to select that. For this particular purpose, we're going to do all content. So we're going to import everything about this planning course, this template course, into your content course. So you'll have everything that you need to get started. And then you just hit import. And so it queues it up, and it takes a little while to run it. So once it's ran, then you can go back to the home screen, and you can see that now I have my content page, or my home page, set. My navigation panel is set exactly the way it should be, with home, announcements, modules, jigsaw, and grades. So everything is showing there. And remember, if you need to, like if you use Google assignments or something in your classroom, or you use iExcel, or you use anything particular inside your classroom that you want your students to be able to get access to through, then you will just move it up. Okay, but they don't need access to assignments or quizzes or anything like that. They don't need any access to that. These are the main things they need access to. Then you can go and look at your assignments, and you will see that your category and weights are already there for you. And you can check those to make sure they equal 100. So I have all of those there. And then you can also go back and look at grades. And we don't have any grades, but you can see when I click on the settings wheel over here that my late policy, the automatically apply grade for missing submissions, is 0. So that's set. And also the late policy, this is updated for this year. It's 20% a day for 5 days. And I know this looks really strange, but the way, this is like opposite of the way I would think about it, but the way Canvas is thinking about it is an 80 would be the highest score that that student could have on an assignment. I know it looks strange, but we have talked to Canvas, and that is the correct policy for that. So everything is set and ready for you to go, and then you can now go in to your planning courses and import your module and your syllabus and things like that that are specific to your content. So again, if you have any questions or need anything at all, please fill out an ops ticket and we will get straight to you, or come to one of our open offices. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye.